Rasulullah ﷺ gave us an amazing offer. Subhanallah. Imagine they say that Apple Store is having 75% off. What happened? You will sleep one night before. 2 nights before. 75% of Apple, Allahu Akbar. Listen to this offer, which is, forget about Apple, oranges, anything. This is a real deal. من صام رمضان وأتبعه بست من شوال كمن صام الدهر. Allahu Akbar. Whomsoever fasts the month of Ramadan and follows it by 6 days of Shawwal as if he has fasted the whole year. And if he or she does it every year, as if they spend their whole lifespan fasting. What does that mean? That means if I finish Ramadan and I start doing the 6 days of Shawwal, and in Dhul Qa'dah, in Dhul Hijjah, I would be eating and recorded fasting. Subhanallah. طيب, many questions. Number 1, people ask, should it be consecutive? Does it have to be consecutive, like 6 days in a row? No. Many people, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, they broke their fast on Eid and then they started right away. Today is their second day. Many of our brothers and sisters, which is great. And they're going to continue until they're done with the 6. That's one great option. Second, you could pick any 6 days. Or you could do like me. I do a combo intention. Monday and Thursday and the 6 days of Shawwal. And that's why I said time sensitive, because tomorrow's Thursday. Tomorrow is my first day of the 6 days of Shawwal. Okay? So I can do Thursday and Monday because there are at least 4 Mondays and 4 Thursdays, right? So you're talking about 8. So you definitely get 6 out of that. Or I can do Monday and Thursday and the 3 white days. Can I do 3 white days intention? 2 sunnahs? Yeah, you can do 2 sunnahs together. When I walk into the masjid, I can combine Tahiyyat al-Masjid with Sunnat al-Fajr with 2 rakahs only, right? Similarly, I can combine the 3 white days with the Aram Shawwal. They are still in Shawwal, right? Now, the biggest question, which is mostly for our sisters or anybody who traveled or was sick in Ramadan. Should I cover my days of Ramadan first that I missed and then do the 6 days of Shawwal? Or should I do the 6 days of Shawwal and I do my Ramadan later? What do the muftis say? Ramadan first, that's one opinion. Second opinion, Shawwal first. اختلف العلماء. The scholars differ. Okay, listen to the hadith. من صام Ramadan and followed it by 6 days of Shawwal. Whomsoever fasted Ramadan. If I missed 3 days of Ramadan, did I fast Ramadan? I still have debt, right? I still have those 2 days I missed, the 3 days I missed. So the hadith said, من صام Ramadan. Whomsoever fasted Ramadan. I did not complete it yet. I'm missing 2, 3 days, 5 days, 6 days, whatever. So what if I die in Shawwal? What will I be questioned about? The 6 days of Shawwal or my days that I missed in Ramadan, right? I will be questioned about the fard. So, and by the way, there is another opinion that about Shawwal, but this is the stronger opinion. Finish your Ramadan first. Finish your debt. This is a debt. I owe these days. It's not 6 days of Shawwal. If I do not fast them, I will not be sinful. But those 2 days, why am I, like for example, somebody's giving sadaqah and he owes zakat. You understand? Somebody's giving sadaqah and he owes zakat. Subhanallah. So, it's better to finish your days first and then inshallah ta'ala you do the 6 days of Shawwal. These are the main questions inshallah ta'ala. May Allah give us the ability to perform this beautiful ibadah. And I said about Monday and Thursday on purpose because inshallah ta'ala maybe this will carry on to the months after. If I started Monday and Thursday now for Shawwal and I make the intention, Ya Allah, make it my monthly habit. And inshallah ta'ala will continue after and that would be amazing. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.